Hello students, welcome to lesson 5 on St. Peter's Online Summer School. Today I will be teaching you maths again and our topic is addition facts. I hope you enjoy the lesson. Okay, so today's maths lesson is about addition facts. Addition facts. And today we will talk about the order of adding. Okay, the order of adding. So, the first example, number 1, you'll see there are 2 circles. So 2 plus, how many circles can you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So we have 2 circles plus 4 circles. Good. And what is the answer to 2 plus 4? What's that? Do you know?
Yes.
Who can tell me? Yes, please tell me.
6.
6. Thank you. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. And the answer is 6. Now if we read the next sentence, it says 2 add 4 equals what? So we have 2 add 4 equals 6. The same answer. Yes. And at the bottom we have nice and easy 2 plus 4 equals 6. Well done. Now, if we look at example number 2, it looks the same as number 1, except this is now here and this is now here. But let's see if we get the same answer. Let's see. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 red circles plus 1, 2 blue. But now the blue is second and the red has gone to first in the sum. Okay, so 4 plus 2. Let's count to see if we get the same answer. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So we do. So we see that the order, it does not matter if the numbers are in different places or in a different order. You will get the same answer, 6 and 6. Okay, let's read the next sentence. 4 add 2 equals 6. Yes, 4 add 2 equals 6. And the last one we'll see that 4 plus 2 equals 6. Very good. Now, before we finish, I want you to see that this 2 plus 4 equals 6 is the same as 4 plus 2 equals 6. Even though the 4 has switched position and the 2 has switched position, the answer is still the same. Okay, the answer is still the same. Okay, so if you look at the top of page 9, your heading will say addition facts. Addition facts. just like we did on the whiteboard earlier, the order does not matter. Okay? You will get the same answer. So before we said 2 plus 4 equals 6. And we also said 4 plus 2 equals 6. So the order changed, but the answer was still the same. Okay, so let's look at our box here today. First example. The sentence says, you can add numbers in any order. It does not matter which number you start with. The total will be the same. Okay, the total will be the same. So, let's look at the picture of the chickens here. Let's cut this in half. Okay, picture 1 and picture 2. Picture 1. So, it says 5 add 3 equals 8. So 5 add 3 equals 8. Now, let me put 5 in red, or in orange, sorry, and I'll circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in orange. And I'll put the 3 in green. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So 5 add 3 equals 8. So let's add them all together, should we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get the answer 8. So we have here 5 plus 3 equals 8. Very good. Now let's go to picture 2. Picture 2 here. We have, the sentence says, 3 add 5 equals 8. So 3 add 5 equals 8. And again, I'll put 3 in green. Okay, and I'll 1, 2, 3, circle the 3 chickens. And I will put 5 in orange. And here's the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle that in orange. Okay, so if I say 1, 2, 3 plus the 5, let's count to see if it equals 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it does equal 8. And we have 3 plus 5 equals 8. Very good. Okay. Now, if I had to show you one more example, I'll show you this one again. So we have 5. Let me do it like this so you can see. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So that's from this side, there. And then we're going to take this side in here and say 3 plus 5 equals 8. So you will notice that the order does not matter. We still get the same answer. So if 5 is first and 3 is second, we get 8. And if 3 is first and 5 is second, we also get 8. So if 5 goes there and 3 goes there, it does not matter because the answer will be the same. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, students, let's look at page 9 at the next exercise in your maths worksheets. So the next sentence says, what is each total? What is each total? And the total means how many after you have added, after you plus them together. What is the total? So if we look at example A, we'll see the first sum says 4 plus 3. And we have flies here, the pictures of flies. And if I draw 4 in orange, there's the 4. And if I draw the 3 in green, there, so we can say 4 plus 3. And if we add it together, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we can write in 7. Now, if we look at the next sum here, it says 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. And remember, the 3 is in green and the 4 is in orange. Okay? And the 3 is here and the 4 is all the way around here. Now remember, it does not matter whether the 4 is first and the 3 second, or the 3 is first and the 4 is second. It does not matter because the answer will be the same. Yes, the same. So let's count again. 3 plus 4, so 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. You'll see the answer for both of these is the same. Okay, let's go to example B. Example B, we have pictures of some cats. I think those are, yes, cats. And our first sum is 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. So 2 I will put in orange, and 6 I will put in green. So the 2 is here, and the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is in green. Okay, so we have 2 and we have 6. So 2 plus 6, let's count how many, the total. Let's count the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 6 equals 8. And the next sum is 6 plus 2. So 6 is in green, remember, and 2 is in orange. There we go. So if we take the 2 and the 6, we'll start with 6 this time. Its number is first. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We get the same answer. The same answer. Here, 2 plus 6 equals 8, and 6 plus 2 equals 8. Okay, example C. We have some dogs here, okay? And the first sum is 3 plus 2. So I'll put 3 in orange and the 2 in green. Here are the 2, 1, 2, put them in green. And the orange is the 3. I'll put the 3 here in orange. So we have 3 plus 2. So let's count the total together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Excellent work. Now, if we go to the next one, we'll see that it says 2 plus 3. Now 2 is in green, 3 is in orange. So let's start with the 2, please, because it's first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. 5. Again, we see that 3 plus 2 equals 5, and 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay, last example together. Example D. We have pictures of sheep. Okay. Now, if we look at the first sum, we'll see it says 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. So I'm going to put 5 in orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in orange. And I'm going to put 2 in green. 1, 2. 2 in green. So the sum says 5 plus 2. So we're going to say 5 plus 2. Okay, let's count the total together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. And let's go to our next sum. 2 plus 5 equals So we know now that 2 is going to be in green. 1, 2. And we know that the 5 is going to be in orange. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's add them and get the total starting with 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. So we see again that 5 plus 2 equals 7, and 2 plus 5 equals 7. Different order, but the same answer. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Very good, thank you. Okay, students, now please can you try example E, F, G, and H by yourself at home, and then we'll come back and do the answers together. Okay, students, let's go over the final examples from page number 9. Okay, let's look at page 9, please. Addition facts. Let's go over example E, F, G, and H. Now, if we look at example E, the first sum says 7 plus 2. And I'm going to put 7 in orange, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 birds there in orange. And the 2, I'll put in green. 1, 2, put in green. Okay, so now let's add, plus them. 7 plus 2. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. If we move on to the next sum, 2 plus 7. We know the 2 is in green. 1, 2. And we know the 7 are in orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, if we add from the 2 first, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 again. So we see that 7 plus 2 equals 9 is the same as 2 plus 7 equals 9. Okay, example F. We have the picture of the birds here on the branch. First sum, 3 plus 5. We're going to put 3 in orange. There, the 3. And we're going to put the 5 in green. There are the 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now let's add them together, starting with 3 first. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. 8. Now the next sum is 5 plus 3 equals So we know that the 5 is in green and the 3 is in orange. So let's start with the 5 this time. It's first, and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. 8 birds. Example G. Okay, I think we're back to the flies this time. First sum is 3 plus 6. And 3 we'll put in orange. 1, 2, 3. And the 6 we will put in green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flies in green. And we're going to add them together, plus starting with the 3. 3 first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. 9 flies. Let's move on to the next sum. 6 plus 3 equals So we know that the 6 is in green. 6 here. And the 3 are in orange there. And we're going to start with the 6 first. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So again you will see that 3 plus 6 equals 9 is the same as 6 plus 3 equals 9. The numbers have changed, the order, but the answer is the same. Okay, last example, example H. We have pictures of the dogs, and the first sum is 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. We're going to put 4 in orange. 1, 2, 3, 4 dogs in orange. And the 5 we will put in green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, good work. Excuse me. So let's start with the 4 first, and let's count the total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good work, everyone. And our last sum, we made it. 5 plus 4 equals We know that 5 is in green and 4 is in orange. 1, 2, 3, 4 is in the orange. Now we're going to start with the 5 first. So let's count the total together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. So you'll see that 4 plus 5 equals 9 is the same equals as 5 plus 4 equals 9. Okay, the order has changed, but again, the answer is the same. Okay, now did you get all of those examples correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good work. Okay, students, thank you so much for watching this episode, and please join us again next time for our next maths episode, which the topic will be taking away. Taking away, which would be subtraction. See you next time, everybody. Goodbye.